What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Awesome back in the building with another video, and today we're going to talk about Xtreme Xperience over here at this racetrack, G2 Motorsports Park. Now, today being my birthday, I was gifted this. Thanks, love. And it was one of my most fun local experiences that I've ever done. Now, for anybody who knows me, they know that I drive fast, I ride fast. Whatever I do that has a motor, I'm going to ride that thing until it tops out.
Damn!
So prior to getting there, you're going to purchase your ticket, you're going to complete a waiver, and you also have the option of having pit passes. So if you have a significant other, kids, anybody who wants to join, they can come with you. You will be required to purchase insurance, and it does come with a high deductible. Now, what you do not want to do is to run that car off the track. Keep the car on the track, follow what your instructor is telling you to do, and you'll be fine.
Lift, brakes. Release them, just coast. Little bit of brakes, more brakes. Turn in tight, 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 tight. And over to orange. Then maintain, and back on the gas. Give me some jizz up the right side. When you do the brakes up here, push harder. Okay. Ready, now. Firm, and released. Now just maintain it.
I did it twice. I never even came close off the track. In fact, I did real good. I was a natural. This is what I do, y'all. I drive. You're going to get 3 laps, which equate to about 1.9 miles per lap. Now, before they send you out on the track, they're going to give you a short safety course on things to look out for, and you're also not going to be on that track by yourself. Now, we know some people don't know how to drive, so it's a good thing that they have some people, some actual drivers in the seat next to you that are also going to help provide you with guidance on when to speed up, slow down, pump brakes, turn, things like that. So it makes it really, really simple for anybody who's really never been on a track before or who doesn't have that kind of experience. Now, you are driving cars with over 500 horsepower, so you want to make sure that you're dressed for the occasion. When I went to the track, I was dressed up, t-shirt, pants, and I wore my Puma racing shoes because I was ready to tear that shit up. There are refreshments on site. There's water, energy drinks, things like that. They're going to provide you with a helmet. Now, if you want to bring your own helmet, you can, but there's a certain safety requirement that has to be met, and I cannot remember what that is. And they're giving you some kind of, I forgot what it calls. It's like a baklava over your face. It's going to cover your head, and it'll cover right here. They're going to provide that for you. It's all part of the experience, so you don't have to pay anything extra for that. Once you get into the seat of the car, they're going to set up your seat so that you can optimize the way you drive. Ain't no driving like this. We ain't driving like this. That shit's dead. You driving 100-something miles an hour. If you want to drive like that, go slab riding or something. That's not what you get off the track. You are not racing other people. You are simply just driving around a track the fastest, most efficient way possible.
Release, turn in. Really tight. Then maintain, maintain. Now back on the gas early, up to orange. Maintain it, and back on the gas. Lift, brakes. More brake, release it. Way up high. Now a little bit of brakes, and turn tight. Back on the gas. Nice. Now maintain it, and back on the gas early. Yes. Lift, brakes. Release. That is perfect braking there. You hit the right pressure the whole time.
I had a blast driving that car. I had so much fun driving the Porsche that I had to go back and do the Ferrari. Because the first time, you're learning the track, The second time, you're still learning the track. The third time, you got it. Well, now you're comfortable. Now you're like, well, damn, that's it. Overall, amazing experience. I had a good time. And the question that a lot of you are asking is, would I go back? And the answer is yes. I want to equate it to like dipping your toe in the pool. You get the feeling, and then it makes you want more and more and more. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that you have go out there and experience it. Let me know your comments. If you've been there before, get down in the comments. Let's hear what you say. Let's hear what you think about it. Peace, y'all.